Hello everyone, what is happening? My name is Simo, I am an artist, and today I'll be teaching you some very awesome stuff, okay? I'll teach you how to draw animals with a very simple technique, using some very simple shapes. It's gonna be amazing. And by the way, you can't say like, oh no, I can't, because I can't do art. Well, no. Art is very simple, and anybody can do it. You just have to practice it, because art is literally like any other skill. If you want to learn the flute, well, you practice enough flute and you'll become good at it. Same for art. If you want to become a good artist, you just have to draw constantly and every day, and you'll become a very good artist. So let's get started, okay? Okay, guys. So the first thing is, let's think about like the things we'll need most when drawing, okay? So one of the main shapes that we need is simple circle. Circles are very important, okay? Again, a square. Okay. We need a triangle. Okay. We need a rectangle. And we need, let's call these fluid shapes. So these shapes can be ovals, can be shapes like this. It doesn't matter. So these are the main shapes we need to draw literally anything, okay? And I'll show you how. It's gonna be very simple, okay? So by the way, it doesn't matter if you don't have a tablet. You could just use a piece of paper and a pen or a pencil or anything, okay? You don't need a tablet. I'm only using a tablet because it's more convenient for me, okay? So on the first drawing, I will show you how to use these shapes, these very simple shapes, to draw whatever you want, okay? See you next time.